A wide variety of financial products, including refinancing of student loans, personal loans, and investment accounts, are among the many goods and services that SoFi, a popular financial platform, provides. What happens, however, if you submit an application for a SoFi product and are not accepted? It is possible to feel very frustrated, as it may leave you wondering why you were not accepted. It is not necessary to be concerned because this all-encompassing guide will investigate the possible factors that led to SoFi's choice and provide you with specific actions that you can take to increase your chances in the future. SoFi, like most financial institutions, employs a multifaceted approach to assess loan applications. They consider a blend of factors to determine your creditworthiness, which is essentially your ability to repay the loan. Here are some key elements SoFi might have scrutinized. Credit score and history. This is often the most critical factor. SoFi has minimum credit score requirements that vary depending on the product you applied for. A low credit score or a history of late payments can significantly impact your approval odds. Income and employment. SoFi needs to ensure you have a steady income stream that can comfortably accommodate the loan repayments. They consider your salary, employment history, and debt-to-income ratio, DTI. A high DTI indicates a significant portion of your income goes towards existing debts, potentially making it challenging to handle additional loan payments. Debt-to-income ratio, DTI, as mentioned earlier, DTI is a crucial metric. It expresses the percentage of your gross income used to cover monthly debt obligations, including rent, car payments, and other loans. A high DTI, typically above 50%, suggests a tight budget, raising concerns about your ability to manage another loan. Collateral. For secured loans, certain SoFi loans, like auto loans, might require collateral and asset used to secure the loan. The value and type of collateral can influence your approval. Application information. Ensure there are no errors or inconsistencies in your application details. Mistakes can raise red flags for SoFi and delay the approval process. Now, let's explore some specific reasons why SoFi might have declined your application and what you can do to increase your chances in the future. Low credit score. This is a common culprit. You can request a free credit report from major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, TransUnion, and check for any errors. If you find mistakes, dispute them immediately. Consider building your credit score by paying bills on time, utilizing a secured credit card responsibly, and keeping credit card balances low. Insufficient income. If your income seems insufficient to handle the loan repayments, consider applying for a smaller loan amount or including a co-signer with a strong credit score and income. High debt-to-income ratio. Focus on paying down existing debts to lower your DTI. This demonstrates improved financial management and strengthens your loan application. Employment instability. A recent job change or short employment history might raise concerns. If possible, provide documentation of your new job and income stability. Incomplete or inaccurate application. Double-check your application for any errors or missing information. Ensure all details are accurate and up-to-date. While the factors mentioned above are the most common, there could be other reasons for SoFi's decision. Loan type. Different SoFi loan products might have varying eligibility requirements. Research the specific requirements for the product you're interested in. State regulations. SoFi adheres to state-specific regulations that might influence loan approval criteria. Recent loan applications. Applying for multiple loans within a short period can negatively impact your credit score and raise red flags for lenders. If SoFi denied your application, don't be discouraged. Here's how to proceed. Request a reason. If not provided, contact SoFi's customer service and inquire about the specific reasons behind the denial. This valuable information can help you address the shortcomings in your application. Review your credit report. Obtain a free copy of your credit report and meticulously examine it for any errors. Correcting any inaccuracies can significantly improve your credit score. Consider alternative options. Explore other lenders who might offer products with less stringent eligibility requirements. Improve your financial health. Focus on building a strong credit score, managing your debts effectively, and increasing your income if possible. This will strengthen your application for future loans. Remember, a SoFi denial isn't the end of the road. By understanding the potential reasons behind it and taking proactive steps to improve your financial standing, you can significantly increase your chances of loan approval in the future.